Hey again, guys. Here's a bit of an updated plant video. So my last one looked pretty sad, I wanted to show that even if your plants are 90% dead, you can bring them back and you can get more. Don't worry too hard about it. There's plenty more. And yeah, so I guess I was just gonna go over a new video about what I bought recently, because I've got way too into this since COVID and I'm running out of space already. It's only been a few months, but yeah. So here I am gonna go over what I have now. So I'll start up here because I have cuttings on like this little windowsill. I have a Brazil philodendron that I just traded with someone. And it's just a little cutting, but this should do well because philodendrons are usually pretty easy. This might be my favorite I have right now. It's a variegated string of hearts cutting that's tiny, but it's doing really well here, and I was terrified I was going to kill it because it was kind of expensive, but... And there's a cutting I took off the philodendron trying to not the philodendron, the string of hearts to make another strand. Needs more water, obviously, but yeah. Some Nanook cuttings. The Nanook itself, that's growing very fast. That's probably my fastest growing. I have a marble queen pothos that could use some water, clearly. There's also dirt everywhere right now because my cat knocked over my plant like right before I filmed this, because of course he did. And my Scindaptus, which is for some reason the only plant I have that's suffering. I don't know what I did. It doesn't like me, that's all I know. Golden pothos, a pearls and jade pothos, my spider plants that you saw in my other video, which were like 90% dead, which I wanted to show now because they're not anything crazy, they're not a challenging plant, but you can bring them back easily. So that's kind of nice. You can have them anywhere, your cats can eat 90% of them, they'll still be fine, they don't mind. And here's the other one that was like a little stub. It's doing pretty good. This is a silver frost peperomia. And on the ground, I brought over some of my other plants that obviously I don't keep in this window because it's way too small, but I have this Monstera deliciosa that's so big I have to walk backwards to get in frame. And I guess this is a variegated umbrella tree or something. I'm not huge on it, so I don't know why I bought it, but I did, just out of... because it was cheap, and I was like, that looks weird. But yeah. Anyway, here's all my plants, other than my outside ones, which I was just too lazy to bring in. They're nothing crazy. There's a calamondin, some tomatoes. I had cat grass, but it fried really fast. But anyway, so yeah, here's an update. You can bring stuff back. Killing one or two isn't the end of the world, and if you're new to the hobby, just keep trying, keep moving things around, I guess, Anyway, that's all for today. See you guys.